Today I am unboxing and trying out this electric water kettle. Inside of the box you receive the instructions manual, the heating base, and the high quality glass kettle. And now it's time to try it out. To use, plug in the base and place the kettle on top. Pop it open and fill with water, then press the power button on the handle. The light will turn on and the kettle will quickly heat up. Once it's come to a boil, it will automatically turn off the light to indicate that it's ready for use. Then you can easily use your boiled water.